In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to only one bar in Tableau using a calculated field. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, make sure you do that before proceeding. Once your app is open, find your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens, so it's crucial to have your data ready to go in that space. With your worksheet open and ready, look for the region field in your data pane. You'll need to drag this to the rows shelf. Doing so will create a basic structure for your visualization, essentially setting up the categories you'll be comparing. Next, locate the sales field within your data as well. You're going to drag this field over to the column shelf, which will allow your chart to display the sales data in bars corresponding to each region. Now, to make your data more insightful, you'll want to arrange your bars in a way that immediately communicates the most significant details. To do this, sort your bars from highest to lowest. This step helps highlight the leading regions and makes your visualization cleaner and more readable. After sorting, you'll be utilizing one of Tableau's powerful features, a calculated field. Head over to the drop-down menu and select Create Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear prompting you to set up this new calculation. Here, you're going to give it a straightforward name like Color 1. Input your query or logic that determines which specific bar or region you want to color differently. Once that's done, click Apply and OK to confirm your calculation. Now, return to your marks card on the worksheet. This next step involves dragging your newly created calculated field, Color 1, to the Color option. This action will direct Tableau to apply your color logic, essentially highlighting the bar you've specified in your calculation. At this stage, you might notice that the colors may not default to exactly what you were envisioning. If that's the case, don't fret. You can manually adjust and fine-tune your colors to achieve the exact appearance you desire. There's a range of customization options available, so take some time to get the look just right for your presentation or report. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently draw attention to specific data points in your project using colors. Whether you're preparing an engaging presentation or a detailed analytical report, these steps will allow your insights to stand out visually. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.